are 5 things you should do the moment you bring it home. Some of these steps are technical and relate directly to the turntable, while others have more to do with the vinyl collection you're about to build. Because let's be honest, you didn't buy a turntable to own one record. Nobody has just one record. I'm also willing to bet you'll be grabbing a second one pretty soon. So here are the 5 things I think everyone should do when they get a new turntable. If you're just joining the world of vinyl, welcome, you're in good company. These simple steps will help you settle in, enjoy your records, and get the most out of your setup. Whatever your budget, whatever brought you here, you're now part of a community that loves music played properly. Level and locate. Start by choosing the right location for your turntable. Find a solid, stable, level surface in your home. If possible, don't place your speakers on the same surface as the turntable. If you have an all-in-one system, that's unavoidable. We can cover that in a special video. Once you've found a good spot, make sure the surface itself is level. If your turntable has adjustable feet, use them to fine-tune the leveling. A small bubble level works great. This step is crucial for good sound. A turntable cartridge and stylus are extremely sensitive. Basically a tiny microphone tracing the grooves of your record. Vibrations from floors, shelves or speakers can travel straight into the stylus and affect playback. A stable, level surface minimizes that.
This is ideal, but maybe not to everybody's taste or budget.
If you're just starting your vinyl collection, this is also a good time to think about long-term storage. Records are heavy, even 10 records can collapse a flimsy shelf and damage both the shelf and the record. Plan ahead for proper storage. Essential storage principles. Store records vertically, never stacked. Stacking causes warping and pressure damage. Learning about records, vinyl care, and turntable setup will protect your gear, ensuring a long life for your collection and make your listening experience better for years to come. Start by learning the basics of your turntable.
How to align the cartridge if you have adjustable cartridge mounts. You need to be able to adjust the tracking weight of the cartridge and how to set the anti-skate. The tracking force is measured in grams and literally means how much weight is applied to the stylus.
Too much pressure can wear your records out, and too little can make the needle skip, which isn't great for them either. Check the recommended tracking force for your cartridge. Consider getting a small gram scale or properly balance your tone arms so you're right in the safe zone. There are tons of great resources online, including YouTube channels that walk through every step. I'll be covering these topics in upcoming videos as well. Another essential skill, cleaning records. Even brand new records need cleaning. There are plenty of tools and methods available, and I have videos on this topic. While you're learning, take time to explore the records you already own. Read the album jackets, inserts, and booklets. This is where a huge part of the vinyl hobby comes alive. Records should be fun as well as good to listen to. One more thing, learn that the vinyl community, like any niche hobby, has its share of difficult people. Some people take their opinions way too seriously. That's normal in any collecting scene. Figure out who you enjoy listening to, who you don't, what advice resonates.
Serious, this pressing is flawless. Flawless maybe, but the remix ruins it.
Honestly, the Japanese import sounds better than both.
You can't beat the warmth of this vintage setup.
The dynamic range on this pressing is clearly superior, though.
Look what I found hiding in the dollar bin.
This one probably deserves to be number 1. Listen, you just got new records and a new turntable, so sit down and actually listen to the music. Enjoy the artwork. Experience live analog sound in your home. It's surprising how many people collect records but never play them. I've seen sealed records that have never touched a turntable. Unless you're strictly a collector or a flipper, the whole point of this hobby is listening. It's the easiest and most enjoyable thing on this entire list, and it's the reason you wanted a turntable in the first place.